Hey everyone! Welcome back to the Mind Detective channel. Today we're diving deep into the fascinating world of male behavior. Ever felt confused by a guy's mixed signals? Wish you had a cheat sheet to decipher his true feelings? Buckle up because we're about to crack the guy code and reveal 8 subtle signs he's totally into you. Sign number 1. The body language bonanza. Guys often communicate more than they realize through their physical actions. Does he lean in closer when you talk? Mirror your gestures subconsciously? Playful touches on the arm or shoulder can also be indicators of interest. Pay attention to his nonverbal cues. They might be shouting what his lips can't quite say yet. Sign number 2. The time investment tycoon. Guys who are genuinely interested will go the extra mile to spend time with you. They'll initiate conversations, text you frequently, and actively seek out opportunities to be around you. Even shy guys might find creative ways to bump into you accidentally. Remember, time is a precious commodity, and if he's dedicating his to you, it speaks volumes. Sign number 3. The silent serenade of the single focus. Notice if he conveniently forgets to mention other girls around you. This doesn't necessarily mean he's become a monk, but rather that he's strategically keeping his romantic options open for you. He might not want to give you the impression he's interested in anyone else. Sign number 4. The question chameleon. Guys who like you will be genuinely curious about your world. They'll ask thoughtful questions, delve deeper than surface-level topics, and actively listen to your answers. Remember, curiosity is often a gateway to connection, and his desire to get to know you better could be a sign of something special. Sign number 5. The subtle superhero syndrome. Guys might try to subtly impress you with their talents, intelligence, or humor. This isn't always about bragging. It's their primal urge to appear desirable. Notice if he goes the extra mile to look nice, showcase his skills, or make you laugh. It's his way of putting his best foot forward and capturing your attention. Sign number 6. The protector in disguise. Guys who care about you might take on a protective role, especially if they sense you're uncomfortable or in a potentially risky situation. Walking you home at night, offering his jacket on a chilly evening, these gestures show he values your safety and well-being. Sign number 7. The sunshine spreader. Does his mood seem to brighten whenever you're around? Does he smile more readily and laugh a little louder? Pay attention to how his energy shifts in your presence. A genuine change in mood could be a sign that you bring him joy and make him feel happy. Sign number 8. The laughter launcher. Guys who like you will want to make you smile. They might crack jokes, tease you playfully, or try to lighten the mood. Laughter is a powerful bonding tool, and his efforts to make you happy could be his way of expressing his interest. So, there you have it. Cracking the guy code isn't always about grand gestures. Sometimes the most telling signs are the subtle ones. Remember, every guy is different, but by keeping these signs in mind, you might just unlock the secrets of his heart. Did any of these signs resonate with you? Share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Mind Detective channel for more dives into the fascinating world of human behavior. We'll see you next time with more mind-blowing insights.